If your WhatsApp application is missing from Samsung device, then let us see how to bring it back. The first thing is you have to confirm that there is WhatsApp application installed in your device. For that one, what you need to do is you need to simply pull the screen down and search for WhatsApp. I have installed GB WhatsApp. So in case if there is WhatsApp application installed in your device, it will show you at the top. Now what you need to do is you need to tap and hold the app icon and then select this option, locate app. So it will go to this option and you can see there is hidden apps, and under hidden apps there is GB WhatsApp. That means WhatsApp application is hidden in your device. So what you do, tap on this minus icon here, apply. Now once you do it, WhatsApp application should appear on the apps screen of your Samsung device. So you can see there is WhatsApp application here.